We look for the dried tendril and the yellow ground spot. Then we listen closely to the thump, that deep.
Keep those belts moving. We need another pallet over here. Watch the stack on the left.
The extraordinary variety of the U.S. watermelon industry is clear, showcasing everything from the Golden Midget to the giant Carolina Cross.
These certified organic watermelons, grown with precision irrigation, are destined for the finest juice brands across the country.
From the fields of Georgia, we meticulously test for sweetness. Both man and machine harvest the diverse crop.
The refractometer reading is at 11.5. Okay. Acceptable range, recorded.
This one is 10.5.
Good, right within spec. Let's move to the next crate.
The defective watermelons are systematically diverted to the reject management area, ensuring consistent juice quality downstream.
Here we see the continuous belt press working in parallel with the screw press, efficiently extracting the clear red juice from the mash.
The current yield is holding steady at 92% extraction efficiency. We're seeing a slight increase in the brick score here.
Yes, the upstream adjustments seem to be working.
The citrulline extraction process yields a premium amino acid, essential for the sports nutrition market.
The color reading on this batch is exceptional. Yes, the stability is holding up well through the filtration process.
Our analysis confirms it. 40 milligrams per 100 milliliters. Watermelon juice truly has the highest natural lycopene concentration in the market.
The lime and mint balance the sweetness well.
Yes, the refractometer readings are stable now.
Here in the Watermelon Juice Safety Lab, our scientists conduct continuous testing. Every batch must
ensure the salmonella plates are labeled correctly.
Already done. The E. coli samples are ready for incubation.
The monitor shows the run is stable.
Excellence. The comprehensive profiling confirms the extraordinary levels of
citrulline and lycopene of the citrulate with iocline.
As you can see on the screen, all CCPs passed.
And the microbiologicals are clear across the board.
We still need to address those 2 recent complaints.
Our complete ecosystem covers everything: pathogen monitoring, sensory evaluation, and a cold chain that stretches to national retail.
Would you like to try a sample of the cold press?
Oh wow, that is incredibly refreshing. I'll take one.
This latest round of adaptogen additions is showing excellent stability.
And the sensory profile on the fermented juice is exactly where we want it to be for the new market.
The recycled water goes through advanced filtration before returning to the washing operation. This minimizes our footprint significantly.
From the fields of Georgia, our watermelons are cold-pressed, bottled, and brought directly to your family table.
This is the extraordinary value creation of commercial processing. From 15 cents a pound to nearly $10 a bottle.
The extraordinary growth of premium watermelon juice is no accident. It's because of the incredible health benefits, as we explored on Factory Process.
This is the best juice I've ever had.
It really is. Cheers, everyone.